Plate of mass m is placed on a horizontal frictionless surface. So let us say this is a plate and this is a frictionless surface of mass m. On it, another mass small m is placed on this plate. So let us say a small m is placed on this plate and the coefficient of the friction between them is equal to mu. Okay, coefficient of the friction between these two plates is equal to mu. Now the upward plate is pulled in the right hand side direction with a force of 3 mu into g. Okay, 3 mu mg. So what will be the acceleration of the plate at the bottom? Now it is very simple. Now when I try to pull the plate in the right hand side direction, the frictional force between small m and capital M will try to pull the plate in the left hand side direction. So now the friction force of small m acts in the left hand side direction. So the friction force on capital M will act in the right hand side direction. So now the friction force, the maximum friction force in this case, the normal force which acts in the upward direction, there will be mg in the downward direction. So the friction force will be simply equal to, the friction force will be simply equal to mu mg, and this is the only force which acts on the plate capital M. Okay, this is the only force which acts on the plate capital M. Now the force with which I am pulling the small m is greater than the friction force. So basically the small m will slide on the right hand side, but also the capital M will also slide in the right hand side, which will be equal to F is equal to mu mg, F is equal to ma, which is equal to mu mg. Now the friction force is the only force that acts on the capital M. So now over here it is equal to, acceleration will be equal to, or basically we have to calculate the acceleration of the body. Let this be a2. It will be equal to mu mg, this is g, divided by capital M, which is option number A.